Hey guys, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica, and today I'm going to share a personal project with you, something that I've been doing every week. So I started making these little journal books to document my goals and wins while I'm on quarantine. What this is, it's made from one piece of scrapbook paper. It's a little pocket book, and so the cover is a little index card that has goals. So every week what I've been doing on Sunday nights is I will make a little book like this, and as I'm making the book I think about what do I want to accomplish this, and then each page represents a different day of the week. The end of every night, sit down and I write down at least 5 things that went right today. And it feels good because then at the end of the week you can look back at all of these and say, wow, I got a lot done, little things. So okay, let me show you how to make. You will need a 12 by 12 sheet of scrapbook paper that is double-sided, a bone folder, washi tape, and if you want, a stapler. You're going to pick out your page that you're going to use to make your mini journal and cut off any of the excess. You want to make sure you have a nice and even square. You're going to fold it in the middle and then bring the sides up on the other side that you did not fold, and you're going to create these folds up. And these are about to the halfway mark. These are going to be the pockets of the journal. Okay, go ahead and bring those other ends up to the center. Get the creases nice and sharp. Fold that side to the center, and we just have one more fold before we turn it into a book. You might need to watch this a couple times to get the hang of it, but then once you get it, it's really easy. Okay, now we're going to go back, and you're going to have that peak up at the top so it looks like a W, and then you're going to snip right in the middle, and then bring the two middle sides together and use your bone folder to crease all around the sides so that it's nice and tight. You can staple the ends where the little pages are separated, and you could leave it like this, but I'm all about adding extra. So pull out some washi tape, and you're going to trim all of the sides with contrasting washi tape. You could use a solid color, you could use glitter, you could use any kind of washi tape that you want. What this is going to do is it's going to give it a nice little edge, and it's just going to make it more secure. Once your book is trimmed and ready for use, you could add decorations and embellishments to it. And then I just like to gather little things to put in the pockets, like little coin envelopes for a secret note. And I take index cards and I cut those up, and I write down one for each day, and I leave it blank. And then at the end of the night, I pull it out and I write down like 3 or 4 things that went good that day. And you know, it feels like Groundhog Day because of the quarantine and COVID and just everything going on. And this is a way to really give each day personality and to recognize the good things that happened that day. Okay, these are some of my finished books. I love to embellish them. I tie some twine around the middle so that I can wrap them up and keep them private. And some of these I've even written affirmation notes for future Kathy to read and look at. You can even have your kids do these. There's just so many different things you can use these for. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for more crafty ideas, visit craftychica.com.